I've been using this wired microphone for quite long time. Again, it's a really great microphone, but the only thing is it's quite messy and sometimes it's not so easy to use it all the time, right? So for that reason, I have ordered this Bluetooth microphone. So this is called as a Sonata Gold, and this is compatible with both Android as well as Apple mobiles. And again, it is also compatible with the laptop. And this is straight away just plug and play microphone. You really don't have to install any software. You just have to connect it and you can use it. And it can operate up to a distance of 20 meters. So that's the receiving capacity of it. Again, the MRP of this is 4,999, and I was able to get it on Amazon for 1,799. Let's see the quality of it. Again, I really don't have too high expectation because this is not an expensive Bluetooth microphone. It's a very nominal priced one. So let's see the parts that are inside and how exactly is the voice quality of it. And right now the voice quality that you are hearing, it is directly from my cell phone without any microphone. Okay, let's unbox this and see. So this is how the box looks. Let me just open this. So very nicely packed. So this is our microphone, which really looks really good, and it's not too bulky, and the quality of it also is looking good. So this is the one that gets connected to the phone. Okay, now this is the C-type port. Now say for example, if you are not having C-type, they also have the connectors. Now say for example, if you want to connect to laptop, you can just put this and connect it to laptop so that you can use the microphone to record voice on laptop. Now if you are having a different port, something like this for your cell phones, right, then you can use this as well, where you just have to connect to this and use it on your cell phone. Now other than that, they also have for the connector for Apple phones, and they have the charging cable here. So let me just quickly remove this. Okay, yeah, so that's a C-type charging. Now charging is needed for this microphone. Okay, so you can charge using this. So all you need to do is just connect it and connect it to your laptop or any USB charging device. Then they have pretty small manual. Okay, so these are the things that are there. Now let's quickly test it. Now let me connect the receiver to the mobile. Just push it gently and then turn on the microphone. So there is a button right at the back side. So just click on that button and you could see that, okay, it starts blinking. If it starts with a green light, it means that, okay, the microphone has been connected. Now say for example, if your connector is not connected, it is going to blink red and green. Okay, so connect it properly and you should be able to see a green indicator. That means you're good for recording the voice. Sometimes with the default mobile camera, the microphone voice may not be captured. So I would recommend you to install Open Camera app that is available in Play Store, because in this you have an option to select the external microphone as well. So use Open Camera app so that the microphone voice is going to be captured. Now I have opened the Open Camera app. Let me record the video and show you the audio quality. So I have now connected to the microphone, and the voice quality that you are hearing is from this microphone. And again, I'm just coming out of the room to see how exactly the sound quality of this is. So right now I'm outside where there is wind that is blowing and there is a bit of traffic noise, and this is the kind of sound that you can hear outdoor. Okay, so again, I'm in my terrace garden area, right? So this is the kind of sound that you can hear. Now say for example, if I put it on the tripod and move away, so you can see how exactly the sound also looks. So right now I have put it on the tripod. I am about 4 feet away right now. I'm just moving back. So this is probably around 8 feet away, and roughly around 10 feet away right now. So this is probably around 20 feet. So yeah, roughly I'm around 20 feet away right now. So this is the kind of sound that you hear even with around 20 feet distance. Okay, so as I'm coming closer You could hear how the voice quality is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the voice without the microphone. So let me just quickly remove the microphone and show you that. So I just unplugged the microphone, and the sound whatever you are hearing right now is directly from the mobile microphone. Okay, so this is the sound difference. So I have just compared the sound quality of this microphone voice and directly the voice from the cell phone microphone, and I could see there is a clearly great difference between that. Certainly this has a great voice quality for the price whatever we are paying, that is 1,799, and again there is a good amount of noise cancellation as well, and this is very convenient for vloggers or anyone who is going to record the video along with a good quality audio as well. So certainly I am loving it, and I know this is more convenient for me to travel around and record the videos. So if you want to get this, just click on the link below and you can certainly get it from Amazon for 1,799. The price may vary slightly, but yes, it's a great product. So I hope this video was informative, and if you have any queries, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, there are a lot of videos in the info link. Just click on that to watch the videos so that you can grow your YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel.